Hello BIM learners, welcome to bimmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, I'm going to explain how to create a door tag family. And also in the tag family, you can see that elevation value, type mark and mark values will be displayed. By default in Revit, we could find type mark parameter in the tag family and mark parameter. And elevation value we could not find. So this type of tagging and different type of taggings are available in the industry and people are using it. In fact, if I want to tell you, we're going to discuss Dynamo also to achieve this. This is the video, or this is the place, the script, that the requirement that made me to learn Dynamo when I was in my previous organization, where we went for a training for another company. They are a construction company. They need mean levels on their tags. So I know Dynamo can do it, and but somehow I did not learn Dynamo, but I will be able to. It's a visual scripting, so I was able to do it myself because the basic things are the same. So by achieving this, I got interested in Dynamo. After that, I started learning Dynamo. So I thought of making this as a tutorial. So let's go back to the Revit. I have a door metric tag family open. And what I was telling you about the elevation. So when you need label, or before label, we can create a circle 6, and I like to go with line again, and the line like this. And label value, we can place the label here, which is type mark, and the sample value, the prefix I like to have as D dot, and sample value will be 00. I'll say okay, and we can control their sizes, edit type, duplicate 2 millimeter. Much bigger. Let me make this as 1 millimeter. Okay, and we can copy this and paste it to the next side, or we can simply mirror it using the axis and change their value type mark to the mark value, which is instance value, and we don't need any numbers. We can say it could be any number, so I'll apply 1 2 3, and I can copy this and paste it upside, something like this. As I was telling you, so we could not find the elevation value or level value in this options. I don't know why still Autodesk not introduced this option, which is very much important. So what we gonna do is we're going to create a shared parameter which we have as level elevation, and we're going to add that into our project, which is going to be let's say maybe 4-digit value, something like this. It's just a sample value, and that's it for now. So this family is ready, and we can save this family as to the desktop, door tag with elevation. And that's it. So now we can load this family into the project, and if needed, we can go ahead and I'm on the level 2, and in the level 2 the tags are already existing. We can change this tag with this one, and you can see that it's not giving the value because it's a shared parameter, but the other values are applied, t3 and 203, which is type and instance mark values. If I select the door, and we don't have that parameter yet, so the values will be question mark. Sometime the parameters will be there but value won't be there. If it is blank, question mark will come. In this case, if I try to edit, the values cannot be edited because the value, the parameter itself, it's not available. So for that, manage, so make sure that you have the shared parameter file linked and add that into your list like this. The modeler. So what is happening? So we have another tutorial also about discussing shared parameter and project parameter and family parameters. So about type and instance values, and we're going to make this as an instance, and we're going to apply this to the door family only. If needed, we can apply it for window as well. And I'm going to select OK and OK. Now the value is assigned, and you can see that, and by selecting the door and level elevation, its values there, I can apply any value that I need. The parameters will work. But the problem is that I can make control Z, and the problem is that we should not apply that. The value should come from the level. You can see that level 2, whatever the level 2 value, elevation value, it should be, it must automatically come to the level 2. So like this, 3000 in the level 2, it should update automatically here in the tag. We cannot do it for hundreds of doors if in our project. For that reason, so we can go ahead and create a Dynamo, which is, I have done it already. So what we have is here, we have selected our categories, or we are selecting the door categories, and if it is window, we can select the window category. And all the elements which is available in the project, and which is 16 doors are there. You can see the result, and we're going to find the levels of this element. Level value parameter name I'm assigning here, and the values will be the automatically, it gives the elements, level element itself for the door. That's the beauty. And for that level element, we are again same blocks we are taking in, and we are applying elevation value. What is the elevation value of each level, and the value it gives here. It's now very simple that we have to apply this parameter to our level, to the door elements. So in that case, we have to set the parameter. So set parameter, I'm typing. So element, we know that, so the important thing is that the same order we have to use it, so that the value applies to the same doors without any changes. The value is here, and the parameter name, it's we can copy it and paste. The value will be level elevation. Yep, level elevation. If all things are okay, it should work now. And value must be assigned. So there are 16 elements which is door elements are picking up, so which means it's already ran. The values are assigned automatically. So this is how you'll be able to assign one parameter to the other, and still if your door have some of sill height values in here, if you want to add that actual value to the actual level from your elements, so you make sure that you get the parameters of the sill height values, like using the same sets of the door elements, and which is sill height You can see some of the doors have value, some of the doors doesn't have value, and mostly all doors are 0 only. Now we can make plus addition, so we can say a plus b, so automatically the node gives the options to a, and b value will be from here. You can connect this value to the doors and the values will be assigned automatically. And with that, now if we see that the tags are assigned, we can use the create similar and go to the other tags and apply the values and see parameters values are changeable because the door parameter getting the value from here from the level. So do remember, we are using the Dynamo script. Dynamo scripts only runs when we open it and click the run button. So when you're changing the model, and we have to run the Dynamo script and make sure that the changes are updated with the values, so that it will be the real values that we have changed according with the model. So this will be the down points that we have if you're using this kind of scripts in our projects. But it is easy for thousands of doors. It will be easy for us to make use of these things. I hope you can create your own Dynamo script and you can use it. And if you need the script command in the command box, I will be able to help you out. Sharing that in the bimodel.com. I will give you the short link. And do let me know if you need any other family creations based on Revit. We'll be able to do it as a video for you. And do subscribe and share it with your learning friends. There is a hype button, I believe you can hype them, and so that it will be popping up with the other learners, so that we will be out also get a new subscriber for our channel. Do let me know what you think of this, and thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.